Hey guys, too many cards here with another pack. 1991 Bowman. 14 cards, one stick of gum. Let's see what we can get out of here. Maybe Chipper Jones rookie would be pretty cool. All right, maybe if we can get it open. There's our gum. All right, maybe a Griffey would be cool. Let's go. That hat looks a little too big for him. Trammell. He's looking for a storm. Mr. Parker. I like the little back gold up on the top. Those are pretty cool. Andy Van. All right, Chicken Man, Wade Boggs. Pretty cool. Mike Scott. Tino Martinez. All right, not a bad pack right there, guys. Subscribe, like, and share, guys. We're almost up to 2,000. Let's go.